Alright, so I thought this worked well for the intro. Throw a capo on your 4th fret and you're going to play an A minor 7 chord. So you're going to set your middle finger down on the 2nd fret of the D and your pinky down on the 3rd fret of the high E. And you're going to pluck the A string, the A string by itself. Then you're going to add your index finger to 1st fret of the B. So you go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So what that is a D suspended. So together. Starting with D, D, down, up, down. So we got down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So that's just a G. So a ring finger, pinky staying on that 3rd fret of the B and high E. And you're going to set middle finger 3rd fret of low E. You're going to go down, down, up. So low note first, down, down, up. Down, down, up. You're walking down a 2nd fret. Then you're going to set an E minor 7 chord here, leaving ring finger, pinky where they are, index and middle set on 2nd fret of A and D. All right, so now we've got, let's try that all together. Alright, so this is what I thought worked well for the verse. You're going to start with your A minor 7 chord, and you're going to pluck twice on the A string, followed by down, down, up, mute. You're going to go to your D suspended, then to your G, then to your E minor 7. Following that same mantra on each chord. So you'll hear that little riff in there. So let's take a look at that. That's kind of like I think she does that towards the end of the verse. So you're going to just pluck just 2 strings together. Index finger, 1st fret of the G, middle finger, 2nd fret of the D. Then you're going to walk up to a minor. All right. So that's index finger, 2nd fret of G, ring finger, 4th fret of D. Then you're going to do index finger, 1st fret of G and B together. So you've got, now this is a little minor chord here, middle finger, 3rd fret of B, ring finger, 4th fret of G. So you put that all together. Alright, and that sets you back up for your A minor 7. Alright, so that's the verse progression, and that'll repeat a few times. And I think the riff I showed you, the little, that actually happens, I think, in the 2nd verse. So I apologize for that. But you can listen for that riff and hear it pretty easily. So you'll hear that. So let's check out the chorus. Alright, so you're going to start on your A minor 7 again with index finger off. So let's just try to simplify it. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up. All right. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. I noticed there's one little change in there that's kind of hard to catch, but it's still in the middle of all this similar sounding strum patterns. So I think it's at the end of the second chorus. So you see that it's going to go back and forth from A minor 7 to D suspended twice. So you'll hear that in there as well. And then that leads into a really low dynamic broken down chorus. So you hear that guitar playing just by itself quietly. At the end of the breakdown, low dynamic part, you're going to have so it's going to go to an E chord, which is very similar to the... So leading into that E chord, what I'm hearing is... Then you'll hear another chill chorus. And then it leads into an outro chorus, I believe.